Good day, everyone. Now let us quickly solve this question. The equation for the formation of water is this. Calculate the number of moles of oxygen required to yield 6 moles of water. Now, if the question did not give us the equation, we have to write the equation by ourselves. But since the question has given us the equation, it is very simple now. Now, the next thing is that from this balanced equation now, you need to know that 2 here means that 2 moles of hydrogen, 2 moles of hydrogen, we combine with, what is there? Nothing, 1. So 1 mole of what? 1 mole of oxygen to give 2 moles of what? 2 moles of water. That is what it means. Now go back to the question. Ask yourself, what are they comparing? What are they comparing? Calculate the number of moles of oxygen. Oxygen required to yield 6 moles of water. Oxygen and water. That's what they are comparing. Oxygen, water. So from here now I can say, since they are comparing these two, so it means 1 mole of O2 will always give me what? 2 moles of what? Of H2O, of water. That is from the balance equation. The balance equation will tell you, if I say how much are they selling 5 oranges, you cannot know until you know the amount of 1. So this balance equation is just like giving us, okay, 1 of this we always combine with 2 of this. That is why the balance equation is very important. So now calculate the number of moles of oxygen. Now we know that from balance equation 1 of mole of oxygen will give 2. See, the question has to calculate how many moles of oxygen now is required to yield 6 moles of what? Is required to yield 6 moles of what? H2O. Do you understand? So we can use our cross like this. 1 times 6 will give us, that's 1 times 6 will give us 6, equals to x times 2 will give us what? 2 what? 2x, right? But we need x. What is disturbing x? 2. Say divide both sides by 2. So 2 cancel 2, and x equals to 2 here 1, 2 here what? 3. So that is 3 moles. So 3 moles of oxygen is required to yield 6 moles of water. Thank you.